Hello, welcome to Greek Verse a Day. Today we are dealing with a shorter verse, Revelation 2:15. The last two videos we've had longer translations. This one we're going to get a shorter video, a shorter translation, and hopefully maybe a little bit mentally less taxing for you. So as always, you should be working from your Reader's Edition. Let's do our slow reading, our fast reading, and then I'll give you a chance to translate on your own. Hutos ekes kai su kratuntas tain didakein ton nikolaiton hamoios. Once more, a little bit faster. Hutos ekes kai su kratuntas tain didakein ton nikolaiton homoios. So at this point, you can go ahead and pause the video, see what you can make of the translation here. So remember what our context is in this case. We have Jesus instructing John what to write to the angel over the church at Pergamum. He said some good things about the church of Pergamum, how they've sort of endured some suffering, and then in the previous verse he has stated what he has against them. And this verse is going to continue on in what Jesus has against the church at Pergamum. And I'm going to, from the outset here, note that we have two different adverbs here. So this os ending is often indicative of an adverb. And I note it at the beginning because we kind of want to put this adverb that comes at the end in our translation. I think we're going to want to move it towards the beginning in English. So this hutos means thus, and homoios means likewise. So we might want to start our sentence with thus likewise, those adverbs modifying this verb, ekes, present active indicative, second person singular from echo, which means I have. So in the second person singular, it's going to be, that's right, you have, and you have. So our and from the kai there, and then another su here, not another su, a su here. And this is going to be our subject of the verb ekes. And can you remind me when we have a personal pronoun that's in the nominative that's functioning as the subject when it's not needed, why does it do that? That's right, it's sort of emphasizing the verb. So, and you yourself have, and then we have this kratuntas. We saw this in the previous verse. Remember, this is a present active participle, accusative masculine plural from krateo, which means to grasp or to hold. And so this participle is going to be the object of this verb. You have some grasping. Remember, this is a substantive, just as, remember in the previous verse, we had a substantival participle without the definite article, which we would really like to have in there, because that's often our key to the substantival participle, but we don't have it here, and there's actually a good reason for it this time. It's not John being ungrammatical or not following prescriptive grammar, as sometimes happens in Revelation, but it's because this is indefinite. It is going to be translated as some who are grasping. Some who are grasping, and what they're grasping is going to be all of this right here. So this is going to be the object of the participle. Tain didakein, the teaching, ton nikolaiton, the genitive showing whose teaching it is, the teaching of the Nicolaitans, whoever they might be. So let's go ahead and put this back together and see if we can end within 5 minutes. Thus, likewise, you yourselves have some who are grasping the teaching of the Nicolaitans.